How to set up your profile on Truth Social. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up in order to set up a profile. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So open up the Truth Social application on the website and sign in into your account if you're not signed in. Once you have done so, you can look out for your profile picture icon. So here, click on your profile and that should open up your profile page right here. Now, if you want to go ahead and set up your profile, you can look out for this option called Edit Profile and click on it. Once we have clicked on it, we can set up our profile here, add or change the different settings. First of all, provide in your display name. Right below it, you can provide in a location, and even if you have a website, you can add in a link here. Apart from that, you can add in your bio, a short description about yourself, and we also have this option for choosing a cover photo and profile photo. You can use this option called choose file to do so, and basically click on this option called save, and when you do that, the profile will be saved. Apart from that, if you want to look out for passport change or any other option, we have these options of change passport or profile and preferences and many more options that we can just go over and edit out, and that is it. So that's it everybody. If you want to go ahead and set up your profile on Truth Social, this is how you do it. While you are creating an account, that you can do it during that time as well. But for now, we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.